Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a little bit of a different unboxing today because let's vary things up. So I have been sent this as a gift and I'm rather intrigued as to how it works. So we have a gift bag, but this is a Ditoo Plus. It is a retro pixel art portable speaker and it looked really interesting, so I may have to pause while I do some messing, but I thought we'd get this opened up first up. Let's get rid of the cardboard bits. Now it does come in a few different colours, but you can, here we go, let's have a look. Oh, these are different things that they do as well. So they have mood lighting and a pixel art, a bit like diamond painting, interior art light display. They also have a sling bag, and then we've got a Ditoo unique desk companion with the retro touch. And yeah, so I did go for the white one because I thought it would be the easiest or the most universal to go with anywhere, should I say. But they do multiple different colours, so if you do have a favourite colour, there are many more, and pretty bulky. I'm trying to get in it, so excuse the rustling while I figure out where the bag opens. At the bottom. There we go. So this is the Ditoo Plus. Okay, packaging is out the way. So this is the Ditoo, which is a desk companion with the retro touch. Create and experience the immersive fun of classic pixel art. So it's like diamond painting on your desk. So this is it in a little box. So it's in its own little carry case that you could use for this or even for something else. It's like a little mini fridge. It's like a little mini fridge for it to sit in. You do get a USB cable and a user manual underneath, and in true form you do. It's a good job it told me. Oh, and I get some little pictures of what we can make the little pixel art. Let's try turning that one round. So we've got some little stickers of the little things we can make, and then we do have a user manual. Oh, good, it's not all in English. I thought it was a very full manual if it was all in English. So let's see if it has some power in it. I may need to plug it in actually. We've got nice bits of peel art. Oh, very nice to peel. So you can record, you can connect the speaker with Bluetooth. Yeah, so on Apple, which is what I'd use, it is you download the Divoom app for both iOS and Android, and then for Apple you search for the Ditoo Plus Audio, and for Android it will come up as Ditoo Plus Audio or Ditoo Plus Lite. You can record a voice memo, you can set up a manual alarm, you can pop in a TF card for audio, and you charge it as well on the side. Oh, I'm going to have a proper little mess with this. So that is a USB, looks like a Type-C. Let's just confirm. Are we on Type-C? We are. So it's a Type-C charger. I'm not even sure if the camera is picking that up, but it is Type-C. So you do get a cable, though my computer charger will do that, which is good. I'm going to press on. Oh, you hear it? Let me take off this front screen. So it does come with charge. And it tells me it's 4:32. It's not quite that time, so the time is definitely wrong, but I like the fact it can be a little clock. I need to learn how to set the clock. Now, can that be done directly from here, or do I need... Okay, so that's to switch the alarm, that's to connect it, that's how to charge it, and then we've got warranty information. Okay, so I'm going to need to download the app, I think, to be able to connect to it and do all the bits I want to do. So I'm going to go and do that, and I will nip back and we'll see what this Ooh, I've just pressed the light button. Oh, here we go. This is the little different emojis that you can have, or little pixel art. And it is flashing a little bit for me as well as on camera. So if we keep pressing it, do we get different ones? And we're back to time. You can turn your speaker volume up with the plus button, and you can turn it down with the minus button. And then the M is for playing new music. I think it definitely looks like it's music. And then you can scroll across as well, so you can play music, games, pixel art, settings. Let's try that. What's the enter button? Is it this one? I'm completely messing now. I don't know what it is that I'm doing. Oh, is that time? Oh, down one. Oh, I pressed the wrong one. That's music. It was that one, wasn't it? Mode. Was it? No. Okay, no, it's still saying 4:35, so I've obviously not changed any settings. So I'm going to download the app and have a little bit of a mess, and I'll be back. Hi, welcome back. So I've been having a little bit of a mess with this, and it's not a bad speaker. It's really not a bad speaker, to be honest. The only thing I can't figure out at the minute is how to change the time. That's the only thing that I've not mastered. I thought that once it was connected to my phone, it would do it automatically, but it is not just before 5 in the morning. If it was, I don't think filming would be in my thought process at all. Oh, I've just found there's some more nice little peely bits I can take off. Oh, I like to take those bits off, keeps it... Well, I like to take those bits off normally once I've finished messing and it's set up, but I think it makes it look sweet. But it does play audio. So, as we know, YouTube audio can be a very weird thing. So I figured, let's play one of my videos. And now it's giving me a YouTube advert. But, can you hear that? So that is my intro. And then there'll be... Welcome to Admiral Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids@147. How's that for a sort of little mini audio system? It mainly comes out the top. It's a very, very sweet little speaker. But you can also, what I've found when you scroll through, so you've got music, so you can choose to play music. You can also paint, and then you pull the little lever and it flashes with start. And then you can, is it the next one? Start. So you can move your little pixel art. I'm not sure if you're seeing that. So if you move it to which one you want to colour in, and then pull the lever down and it will colour it in, and then you can go up and press the little lever. Oh, and I pressed the star one, so it ended up colouring it all in. So where am I? There I am. Down the bottom corner, and then I actually want this one. Pull that and it will colour that in, and then I can scroll up. Oh, not the red, that one. And then scroll up and colour that one in. So you can do that, is one of the things that you can do in there is painting. So you've got music, painting, then you do have your settings. So if you pull this down, and then maybe this is where I'll find it. I didn't get this far before. So we've got a timer. I'm not sure if that's like, I'm not sure what that one is. I'm not sure what that one is either. Oh, that's an alarm. So you can choose to set an alarm. And then if I go back and choose the settings and scroll across, what's that one? Oh, that's a timer. So that will actually count down on its own. And you can reset your timer, and then you can hit go on your timer. So you've got a little countdown on your desk. And then Bluetooth, okay. Music, painting, settings, alarm. And then we also have some games. So there's a few different games that you can play. And I'm not sure how to play them. Oh, I think I need to move up and down. I'm not very good at retro games at all. So let's try that again. Oh, up. No, maybe I need to do this one. I died again. Okay, start. How do I move up? Maybe it's the arrows. I keep using these buttons up and down. No, okay, I'm not sure how to play games, obviously. But if I scroll Bluetooth, no, menu, music, painting, settings, alarm, games, and then back to music. So let's choose settings. See, I keep thinking that one's the time, but it's definitely got the wrong digits for being the time. But I've definitely figured out sort of what I need to press. That one is the timer. So that one's still actually running. And then, what's that one? Ooh, what is that one? Ooh, I'm not sure what that one does. And then that's a timer. So what's that one then? Oh, that one's a time, or maybe the other one's a timer going down. No, I want that again. I need to do some messing, can you tell? So that one is a countdown timer, I think. Yeah, so you can set it up and then will it count down? Hit go. Yes. So that one's a countdown timer rather than a count up timer. We can see it's scrolling down here. And I think that was it for the settings. But yeah, I have a little bit more messing to do with it. But for anybody that likes gadgets and little desk toy gadgets, but also the fact that it can be a speaker for you as well, this is really well made, I must say. I don't know how much I will personally use it. I am sure there is somebody in my house that will, for sure. I don't have a specific desk, but there are definitely 3 people in this house that do have and use a desk, so I'm sure one of them, especially with the little mini retro games, maybe if I end up back in the office, I will decide to take it into the office with me. Maybe I'll get away with it. We shall see. But yeah, thank you so much to Divoom for sending me this little gadget to give it a go. I am going to see if the technical people in the house can fix the time side of things for me, but I quite like it as a little speaker, and once it's a little clock as well, all the better. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me for this something a little bit different. I will pop some links, of course, in the description down below if you want to get yourself a funky little gadget for that person you don't know what to get them. It's actually pretty cool. I did spend quite a bit of time painting before and doing myself, picking some different little things to paint and to mess about with, and there are a few different options. I think if I press and hold that one, it goes back. But it does take you through a few different ones that you can do. Of course, when you're back on the main screen, okay, I know the Bluetooth's okay, I pressed the wrong button. You can also just create your own type of pixel art as well, and you can increase and decrease the volume, of course. But yeah, quirky little mini retro computer. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.